First I'm going to create a variable int I equal no. This is a variable, but according to OOP concepts, we can also say that it has an attribute, right? This is an attribute, right? How can we access this attribute? Okay. How can we access this variable? Not variable, it is an attribute because we are discussing about the OOP concepts. Okay. This is the main method. Now create an object. I discussed objects in previous video. Example ex E means object name, right? New example, right? How can we access our value? I want to print it. I use to print my value system.out.println. Now how can we access? First you should give the object's name E. We should use dot to call our value, right? You can see our variable like this, I. Enter. Now I can print my value. See, and we can modify this value, right? I assigned the value before, but we can change our value. How? I can get the variable like e dot I, right? Equal to 12, right? Now this code snippet should print 12, not 9, because our new value is 12, right? See, it gives 12. Right. See, now you can see it gives 12. If we don't need to modify it, don't need to modify this variable, using the final keyword, final keyword, we can make it into a constant value. Now you can see the errors. We can't modify this variable using final, right? But we can call it as, we can't modify, but we can print, right? See, we can't modify. Again, We can't. See? If you get something from this video, don't forget to subscribe us, like, comment and share. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.